Mina, look! I packed the sandwiches. Yay! Let's eat fast so we can go to the playground. Baba, what are traits?
Traits are features we all have, like your hair color, height, and even your laugh.
Look! These flowers are of different colors. Are their colors inherited too?
Let me show you something fun. These boxes are called Punnet Squares. They help predict traits.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Have you ever wondered why you might have the same curly hair as your dad, but love to paint like your best friend? Today, we're diving into the amazing world of traits, some that you're born with, and others you pick up along the way.
Mina, look! I packed the sandwiches. Yay! Let's eat fast so we can go to the playground.
Whoa, Sorrow, your smile looks just like Baba's.
Really? You think so?
That's because it is like mine. Some things, like smiles, eye shape, and dimples, are inherited traits. You get them from your parents.
Baba, what are traits?
Traits are features we all have, like your hair color, height, and even your laugh.
But I learned how to spin basketball from Big Brother and I practice it every day.
So that's an acquired trait. Something we're not born with, but learn.
Let's play a game. You say a trait, we guess if it's inherited or acquired.
Okay. First one, eye color.
Inherited!
Knowing how to ride a bike.
Acquired!
Curly hair.
Inherited!
Drawing and painting.
Acquired!
Perfect. Inherited traits come from genes. Acquired traits come from experience.
Look! These flowers are of different colors. Are their colors inherited too?
Yes. A plant's flower color is an inherited trait. It comes from its parent plant.
But what if one flower is bigger from another one?
That could be from how much sunlight or water it got. That's the environment.
It means environment has an effect on living organisms.
Exactly. The environment can affect how some traits appear, like how tall a plant grows.
What if we plant two seeds, one in sunlight and one in shade? I think the one in sunlight will grow taller.
That's a hypothesis. Now observe and record what happens. That's science in action.
Hey kids, let's go a little deeper. Inherited traits are passed through genes. Each of us gets a set from both parents.
So that's why I look a bit like Baba and Mama?
Exactly. And genes come in different forms, called alleles. That's why siblings can have different traits, like one with curly hair, one with straight.
Like Hasib and Dua have big ears while me and Mina has tiny ones.
Exactly. Let me show you something fun. These boxes are called Punnet Squares. They help predict traits.
So you can guess if a baby plant will have purple or white flowers?
Exactly. It's like probability in math. Not always certain, but it shows chances.
Wow, science and math are best friends.
Hey kids, Let's do one last round. Rapid fire. For color in a cat?
Inherited.
Playing the violin?
Acquired.
Migrating birds?
That's tricky, but it's actually inherited behavior.
Eating with chopsticks?
Acquired.
So what did we learn today?
Traits are things about us, some we're born with, and some we learn as we grow. Genes give us inherited traits like eye color and freckles. And the environment helps shape things like height or strength.
Great job, team! Whether inherited or acquired, your traits make you special.
Yay!
Now it's the time for quiz. Are you ready for a fun quiz to test what you've learned about inherited and acquired traits? Let's see if you've got what it takes. It's quiz time. What is an inherited trait? A. Something you learn. B. A trait passed from parents. C. A type of toy. The correct answer is B. A trait passed from parents. Inherited traits are characteristics passed down from parents to their children through genes. Which of these is an acquired trait? A. Hair color. B. Riding a bike. C. Eye shape. The correct answer is B. Riding a bike. Acquired traits are characteristics or skills that are learned or developed during an individual's life and are not inherited genetically. What helps a plant grow taller besides its genes? A. Environment. B. Shoes. C. Friends. The correct answer is A. Environment. Environmental factors like sunlight, water, and soil nutrients play a crucial role in a plant's growth, influencing its height and overall health. What is a mutation? A made-up story. B. A change in a gene. C. A food recipe. The correct answer is B. A change in a gene. A mutation is a permanent alteration in the DNA sequence of a gene. What do Punnet Squares help us understand? A. Sports rules. B. Food choices. C. Trait probability. The correct answer is C. Trait probability. Punnet squares are tools used in genetics to predict the probability of an offspring inheriting particular traits from its parents. Get ready to become little detectives next time, where we'll use real clues and evidence to support what we learn about these traits. See you in our next science adventure. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.